sklearn, base, outlier mixin. Description. The outlier mixin is a base class in scikit-learn that defines a common interface for outlier detection methods. It provides a standard way to handle outlier detection, ensuring consistency across different outlier detection algorithms by inheriting from outlier mixin. Outlier detection models can be seamlessly integrated into scikit-learn's pipelines and workflows. Inputs. Data input data in the form of a NumPy array or a pandas data frame. The data should be numerical. Outputs. Outlier labels an array or list indicating whether a data point is an outlier. This could be a binary label 0 for inlier, 1 for outlier, or a score representing the likelihood of being an outlier. Outlier scores, an array or list containing outlier scores for each data point, quantifying the degree to which they deviate from the expected behavior. Steps. Data preparation. Pre-process the input data, potentially including feature scaling or transformation. Outlier detection. Apply the specific outlier detection algorithm to identify outliers based on the chosen method, e.g., distance-based, density-based, clustering-based. Metrics. Precision measures the proportion of correctly identified outliers among all detected outliers. Recall measures the proportion of correctly identified outliers among all true outliers. F1 score, a harmonic mean of precision and recall, providing a balanced measure of performance. Area under the ROC curve. AUC measures the overall performance of the outlier detection model, considering the trade-off between true positives and false positives. Visualization plots. Scatter plots visualize the data points, potentially highlighting outliers with different colors or markers. Box plots show the distribution of each feature, highlighting outliers that fall outside the typical range. Density plots visualize the density of data points, allowing for the identification of regions with lower density that might indicate outliers. Fine-tune parameters. Threshold. Adjust the threshold used to classify data points as outliers based on their outlier scores. A higher threshold will result in fewer outliers being detected. Contamination. Specify the expected percentage of outliers in the data, influencing the model's sensitivity to outliers. Uncertainty methods. Confidence intervals estimate the uncertainty associated with outlier scores, providing a range of plausible values for each data point. Bootstrapping. Resample the data multiple times to assess the variability of outlier detection. Results. Challenges and fixes. Challenge 1. Dealing with high dimensionality. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 1 when working with datasets with a large number of features. Outlier detection algorithms may be less effective due to the curse of dimensionality. Fixes to challenge 1. Dimensionality reduction techniques like principal component analysis (PCA) or tsna can be applied to reduce the number of features and improve performance. Challenge 2. Identifying outliers in complex datasets with nonlinear relationships. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 2. Outlier detection methods based on distance or density may struggle to identify outliers in data with complex structures that cannot be easily captured by linear models. Fixes to challenge 2. Employ outlier detection algorithms designed for nonlinear data, such as isolation forest or local outlier factor LOF. Challenge 3. Handling skewed data distributions. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 3. If the data is skewed, common outlier detection methods may be biased towards identifying outliers in the tail of the distribution. Fixes to challenge 3. Transform the data to have a more symmetric distribution, or use outlier detection algorithms that are robust to skewed distributions. Challenge 4, setting an appropriate threshold for outlier detection. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 4, choosing a threshold that is too low may lead to false positives, while a threshold that is too high may miss true outliers. Fixes to challenge 4: use domain knowledge or expert insights to inform the selection of a suitable threshold, or employ techniques like cross-validation to optimize the threshold based on performance metrics. Challenge 5: handling missing values. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 5: missing values can introduce bias and affect the accuracy of outlier detection algorithms. Fixes to challenge 5: impute missing values using appropriate methods, or use outlier detection algorithms that can handle missing values.